Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be filming a quick makeup tutorial for you guys. They're starting out with this really small MAC pencil. It's so small, but for the eyebrows, but it works really good. And I just like to take this spoolie and brush my eyebrow hairs up like so. And then I like to line my eyebrows. I guess draw my eyebrow shape that I want to do. So yeah. I usually don't put too much pressure on the shape that I draw because I clean it up with concealer. Like that, just a small tail for me today. And I like to brush it up just to kind of see like what the shape looks like. So as you can see, they don't look like the exact same, but that's fine. But it's like a double-sided brush. It's really fun to use. I'm gonna take my ABH eyebrow, dip brow, and I like to fill in my brows with it. Really simple, really easy. But you know, eyebrows take a lot of practice to like get it to what you want. It's not really about like how to do it someone else's way. It's about how you want your eyebrows to look, and you know. So for the top, to clean up your brows, you want to take a flat brush. I'm just using this flat brush I got from Morphe. I really love their brushes a lot because the quality plus the price. And I'm taking this LA Pro Concealer in Toast. And I'm just cleaning up the top of the brow with that. So I'm just using this concealer and an angled brush now. The angled brush is really gonna help create that shape that you want. You see how light that is? So this will really make the eyebrows pop, but you wanna make sure that you blend this out a little bit. You wanna make sure it's blended out, but not too much. You wanna make sure you're being precise. All right, next thing you do is prime your face. Take your favorite primer. I like the Maybelline primer. It has a good consistency, like a silicone consistency, and but it's also like tacky enough for the makeup to stay on all night and give you, like I said, a seamless look. Some setting powder and set the primer. So I started doing this just because I think that it does help make the makeup last longer. So yeah, this is just the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Orange corrector. Any dark spots I see, I like to just orange correct it. Foundation time. I like to mix both of these shades. A little bit of the darker shade, just a little bit. And some of this lighter shade. Well, this one's not really lighter, it's my skin tone, but I feel like mixing them creates the perfect color for me. When I first started doing makeup, I was only using Maybelline products, like Maybelline everything. Maybelline and CoverGirl. Why? Because that's what came in my shade. Get your eyes. Just be careful. Just get it right below that brow bone. Go ahead and take your concealer, I use Chestnut. I use Toast. I use Toast and Chestnut, but Toast is a little lighter than Chestnut. So I'm just gonna take that for my eyes right now and blend it out with a beauty blender. It's the big reveal for my palette. I'm using the Morphe, what is this called? The Morphe Second Nature palette. Just gonna start with this dark brown color and start in the brow bone. Don't worry, I'm gonna brighten this up a little bit. And I'm creating like another shadow with like a lighter brown color, but I'm kind of building it up under where I started with my eyebrows. And that's kind of how I like it to look. I like it to look like that.
So right here, you can just see me taking the concealer and trying to create a simple cut crease. So yeah, I'm just taking that Tarte concealer and using my angled brush and just drawing a line up where my crease is and bringing the concealer down on my lid. Now I'm just taking a bright shimmery orange eyeshadow color out of that same Morphe palette and putting it on top of where I just did the cut crease.
I just take this e.l.f. eyeliner in black, and I use an eyeliner brush because we're gonna take this concealer. I like to use Chestnut, so let me find Chestnut. Toast is nice because it's a little lighter, but Chestnut, I feel like for me is the perfect shade. Chestnut and Beautiful Bronze. I own a lot of the LA Girl Pro conceals. They're just really nice to use. I know my eyes, a little bit of my forehead, down my nose. All right here, I think it's called the Cupid's brow, something like that. And then under my cheeks. Then I take this beauty blender from, not beauty blender, makeup sponge from, I got makeup on my sweater. I knew that would happen though. From Ulta brand makeup sponge. So nice. The other trick for under the eyes, put a tiny bit of lighter concealer. You want the under eyes kind of brighter than the way the rest of the face is concealed. I guess now I can like talk more about the channel to you guys when I'm blending, because I definitely didn't know when to start talking about it, but I didn't want to talk about it like at the end, because then I don't know, I like to be preoccupied while I'm talking about stuff. What am I talking about? Anyway, this channel was created about 2 years ago, and it was created mainly to show like cooking and travel videos. So this channel, contingent upon when all the quarantine and lockdown and stuff is over, will consist of more travel videos, more cooking videos, and of course beauty, makeup, hair, and health videos. So all of that will be on here, because you know I like to share all of that fun stuff. It'll be a lot of vlogging, vlog style videos. I love vlogging, so I get to test my skills with that. That'll be fun. Okay, the next step is to contour with the cream contour. I use this Ruby Kisses palette from the beauty supply store. I just take 2 of the darker shades.
Here I'm just taking some translucent powder and lightly dusting any areas that I applied concealer to.
That's all you need. Next, I like to set my face with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. It's just a light, it's a really light foundation, in my opinion, that just finishes off everything just really pretty. And I'll take this Morphe Bronzer. I love it. Bronzer and contour. I hope this comes out nice. Next, no, do I do my lips first or next or highlight?
So here I'm just taking the shade Limbo from ColourPop and using it as a lip liner. It's just a liquid lipstick. Now I'm going in with a liquid lipstick called London, and it's from NYX, and it's just so that I can blend together with Limbo to make a nude lip.
Then I take some highlighter. I just take this really flat brush. It's flat to me. I go really lightly because I don't know why, but sometimes I just can overdo it with highlight. So I don't like to go too heavy with highlight. But this is the Maybelline Master Chrome Urban Decay Setting Spray. Woohoo! Did I do that right? Yeah. Eyelashes, right? I don't have my eyelashes right now, so I'm just gonna use mascara. All right, well, the look is done. I hope it came out like well put together, and I hope it looks nice. This channel is gonna consist of a lot of makeup videos, a lot of hair videos. Hair is something I do enjoy doing a lot, so I'm gonna be doing a lot of those. I'm gonna be doing some vlog style videos. I do like the idea of those, and I do enjoy watching other people vlog, so I wanted to join in on the fun. I also am, what else am I gonna do? Oh, cooking videos, that's what I said. I do like to cook, so cooking videos, just a few, nothing too crazy. This is gonna be fun. I'm gonna try to be as consistent as possible and do my best with every video so everyone can enjoy. And you know, I'm really doing this so that I have something to do while we're stuck in the house. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please look forward to some more videos. And I want everyone to stay healthy and try to make the best of their situation, and to always remember to try hard at everything you do. Bye guys. Thank you so much.